You woke up this morning and tried to start your car and all you got was dimming, flickering dashboard lights. What could it be this time? What up guys, Ben GD here from Get Fixed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about signs of a failing alternator. Let's get started.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
The number one sign that your alternator could be failing is difficulty starting your car. It could also be a failing battery too, but the alternator could also play a role in it. For example, if you're starting up your car and it's not cranking, it's not doing anything, that means your battery most likely died. If your battery's dead, it probably means that the alternator isn't giving it enough juice in order for the car to start up and power up all the accessories. Sign number two is dimming, flickering lights, whether that's your headlights or your dashboard lights. That's a strong indicator that the battery's low in charge. It could simply be that the alternator was not charging the battery enough, so when you went and parked your car wherever you parked it and came back to it, you were low on juice. That's what's causing that flickering. Sign number three, you have a battery warning light. That battery warning light most likely comes on when the battery is low in voltage, which simply means that it's not charging. So your alternator either went out or it's on its way out, which is why it's giving you these signs and symptoms. Sign number four, which kind of relates to sign number three, a weak or dead battery. It kind of ties into the battery indicator light coming on, simply because when you have a weak or dead battery, it shows signs that the alternator is not charging it enough in order for it to stay juiced up and power on all the accessories and your dashboard lights. And last but not least, sign number five, you may experience electrical issues. You might have issues rolling down your power windows, or whenever you, like comfort access, I think it's called, whenever you walk to the car and touch the handle and it unlocks the car, that may stop working for you. And that's all because the battery's drained, it's dying, and that could be due to a failing alternator. I do recommend that you take a look at your battery's age and make sure that it's not like 3 years old, because at that point your battery's worn out and it's time to get a new one. But if you feel like it's your alternator that's the issue, I'm most likely going to be posting a video on how to replace the alternator off the Honda Accord. The processes are basically the same. They are a little bit different in terms of spacing in your cars, but it doesn't matter what car it is. They're basically the same process. There you have it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, Ben GD here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's get it.